Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's going to be a different kind of video because I'm going to show you something that I recently got my hands on in the Black Friday sale. So this thing is none other than DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is a video about unboxing and taking out the small little things that we have and how this combo is perfect for creators like us when we are starting. I think that this was something due for a long time, but then the deal came out and I got it for 550 approx euros and I got it on a 22% discount, so there was no reason for me not to buy it. I'm super excited to unbox it with you all. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to tell you the specs and what is better in the Pocket 3 version. Of course, it's not the newest version, but still it's a very good one. And I also did a comparison between DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the other devices that we have in the range like GoPro, but I found this one better. The reason was that it gives you a lot of advantage when you're shooting on nighttime and in darkness, and a lot of the times you see me outside, sun doesn't come up always, so I needed something that could help me with the light issues. Without any further ado, let's dig into the video. Okay, so now time to unwrap this little baby. And I'm excited. I'm going to take out my scissors. I don't have a blade for that. I'm just going to use my regular scissors. It's just like how you feel when you unwrap your new iPhone. And this is the first time I have ever invested on a gadget, to be very honest. So it is kind of special for me. So the packaging is nice. It's good. Let's toss it away. And then we have a little tape to open the seal. And then this box just has a silica gel. We don't need it, we'll toss it away. So the first thing is this little case that we have, and I'm sure that this is the bag that has everything that we need. So let's just start with this. One thing that I like about the creator combo is that it comes with a bag, so whenever I travel I can just take this. It's very compact and it's very travel friendly. So let's see what we have in the bag. Let's take out the main character of the movie, and that is our DJI Osmo camera. So this is the main gadget that we have. It's a camera with 1-inch sensor. It's a new technology and it has 4K 120 fps, so that means more frames with 4K. And we are going to take out the sticker later. I'm going to place it over here. Be very careful of the camera. The next thing I want to show you is the mic. So DJI has this mic. I know in the older versions it used to be plastic, but now they have a see-through design which gives a robotic feel to it. This is the start button, and this is the port where you can adjust your windscreen, which I'll show you later. Next we have this, and this is basically let's see, the texture is obviously it's made of plastic, has these grooves over here, and this is basically what will come at the lower end. Like you can just plug it in and it will work as an extended battery, because DJI does not have an exchangeable battery, so you'll have to keep this battery if you want to have more charging and want to prolong its charging basically. So this is how it will go. You have to press the button to take it off or to insert it in. Okay, and let's see what else do we have in the bag. And this is another little thing that has come out of the bag. Let's see what this one really is. And I think this is nothing else but an extended handle that basically is going to help you out if your hand is too big and it cannot take in the camera comfortably. So you can just press the button, plug it in, and then it will be sufficient for you to hold. The length of the camera will become adjustable with your hand, and this is a nice little extension that it is going to just give a bonus length. Other than that, I don't really think it serves any other purpose. It does have this screw over here where the tripod is going to get fitted. Let me show you the tripod next. This is the mini tripod. Looks like an embryo version of tripod. Black in color, and it just has this little mini screw. As I said, that you can screw it in, and then what you can actually do is to have this stand on whichever surface you're shooting your video. It's not going to give you any height, it's just going to give you a stable place to adjust your camera if you're shooting outdoors, let's say, and you want to have a wide angle shot. So this is about it. I'm just going to take it out because this is not serving any other purpose at the moment. Okay, so this is our windscreen, also known as the dead cat. This will come on top straight over here. It's pretty easy, like they've given us little port for inserting this, and until you hear a click, you would know that is fitted exactly as it should. It has a small power button over here, and I guess that this microphone is a good update from the older version, because the older one had a plastic case and this one looks newer in technology, and it also looks really fab and intriguing. So let's put it aside. I got this string alongside this windscreen, and I think it's just for adjusting on your hand. You can just put it around your hand like a bracelet, and this loop is going to get inserted over here, so that if you're like traveling and you need to just hang it sometimes, so obviously all the time you can't carry it, right? So this is going to serve this purpose. It's a small but important part of the creator combo. This is nothing but the cable cord, and as you know that this is going to be only serving one purpose, and that's going to be the charging, and it can be inserted in all the charging ports, and that's pretty much what this cable is going to do. With the Osmo Pocket 3 box, you can find all the new technologies that they're flexing on, like the sensor, the 2-inch rotatable screen, and every other thing that they're giving in this creator combo. Along with that, there's a whole list of detailed icons with the parts that are inside the box, so you can read them if you want to just know the correct terms. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what else does it contain. These are some of the things that have come in the box, like this is the guideline, and this is a sticker. It's a quick guide on how to install and how to operate with the app, and then we have a QR code. Let's keep all these aside. I want to show you what other thing they have given in the box. So this is another box that has come out of this box. Let's see what's inside. I'm curious to know. Okay, so this I think is the case that everybody is talking about, that comes with the camera. So as you can see that this camera is really delicate, and to protect it you need some sort of case that is made according to its shape. This is how you're going to keep it and save your Pocket 3 from everything, like any kind of shock or any other surface scratch. You can easily keep it inside the case. Make sure that the screen is over here on the other end, and it just has this click sound, and that's when you know it's not going to fall off. But there's one more thing that I want to show you, because right now it's rotating and I'm very worried about my camera lens, so I'm gonna show you how you can protect that as well. So inside the bag there were two tiny things that I missed out. One is the camera lens case, which is basically not anything other than a wide angle lens that is going to magnetically stick on this lens. See, the magnet, and it's just going to stick, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. And another tiny thing that was inside the bag was this little magnet. if you can see, they have their logo design over here and it's just a magnet. I'll show you how it's gonna work. So if you have, like, I don't have sleeves right now to show you, but if you're wearing your shirt and you want your mic to be attached, you can just put this magnet. This is pretty tough, it's not gonna come off easily, so you can keep it on one side of your shirt and your mic on the other side, and it's not gonna move then. You can attach this wide angle lens, because it's magnetic, onto the case so that it does not break, or it just, you know, is very protected, because this is a very tiny gadget and it can easily get lost. You will have issues saving it. So if you just, it's just a tip, you can even keep it inside the bag, but if you want, you can also attach it inside the case before you keep the camera inside like this. So it's all going to be in one little compartment. So another important thing is that when we are traveling or when we are moving from here to there, we want to make sure that the bag that DJI has given has enough capacity to keep all of these. Now I know that from the factory it came like that, but let's see if it actually can hold it back again. So I'm gonna place the camera inside. I'm gonna place this extendable battery, the tripod. Let's just take this out. Keep this inside this portion, and these cords can go inside like this, and let's see if we can zip it. So I managed to zip everything inside. It's looking super pregnant right now. But one exception that I made was that previously I was trying to zip it on with the case, but the case couldn't fit in. So if you want to keep everything inside your bag and then take this bag along with you whenever you want, you would need to have the case outside, because it just doesn't have enough capacity for the case to be kept along with other items. But yes, it does come in handy. The bag is serving a purpose, so we're happy with that. So now the main part of the whole video, where I take out this sticker and reveal the screen. This is so smooth and satisfying, a pure ASMR for tech geeks. And now I'm gonna turn it on with this orange button. I'm gonna select the language as English. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. In order for you to rotate the camera, you need to press this small little icon on the lower right corner, and as soon as I do it, it's going to rotate it towards me. So this is me, and on the other side is the box, as you can see. On the lower left corner, you see that there's an icon of camera. Right now it's picture mode. If you see, there's a ton of options to choose from: panorama, photo, video, and also slow motion time lapse. So depending on your needs, you can select whatever you want. So we don't have an SD card right now, so it's not gonna be able to take any picture or video for me. So that being said, I want to tell you one thing, that I'll just suggest you not to use it as a photography camera. It's better if you use it as a vlogging camera or a video camera, because that is what it is basically specializing in, because the picture qualities are not as good as the video qualities, and that's exactly not why it's made for vlogging and just, you know, taking the videos. So one thing that's not going to come along with the creator combo is definitely the SD card and the memory chip. So the one that is recommended by even the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo website is the Kingston technology, because it comes with a V30 exchange rate of data transfer, so you can basically have a smoother processing of your data from the camcorder to your laptop. And I would recommend anything above 64 GB, because the rate at which your videos are getting captured is 4K at 120 frames per second. So you'd obviously need something that is higher than 64, because then your battery is just going to get filled up really quickly. So let's open this one up quickly. Comes with obviously this microchip and this adapter. In a few laptops you get the option of putting this big size adapter, and in the newer models you get the microchip, but in the Osmo Pocket you will only have this option and you will have to insert it over here. So let's do it and take our first picture. Okay, so you have to place your SD microchip like this, and then you have to insert it in. Make sure that your camera is turned off, and be very good with doing that because it's really delicate and you have to press it really hard. It's inside and it's not coming out now. Let's open the camera now. So we have turned on the camera, and if you can see, it gives you an SD card sign. That means it's ready to click a picture. Let's go into photo mode and let's click our picture. So our picture just got clicked. Let's make a video. Okay, so it is recording now because it's coming on the upper left corner, as you can see. I think you have to press the same button in order to pause it. Yeah, that's how you paused it. And another thing is that when it's recording, it's blinking over here, if you can see the red dot. So that is an indication that your video is right now recording. So this is it from my side. I hope you liked my unboxing video. I tried to show everything in detail as much as I could. I have to personally get my hands on it, and I have to train myself into using it and to get it on my fingertips, because there are so many features in the camera that I have to explore, and I'm pretty excited to use it for all my video content, especially my long form videos, because I usually cover a lot of things in those videos. So now you're gonna see me with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera shots and the videos shot on this camera. So it's gonna be pretty new for me, and also it's gonna upgrade all my video quality for sure. I hope you liked my video. If you have any friend or relative or anyone who you know is gonna buy this or is gonna invest on this, so please share them my video so that they know what they have to expect from the creator combo. Subscribe to my channel for more fun content, and my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, information videos. Everything that I can bring valuable on the platform, I do try doing it. This is all from me for this vlog, and I hope you have subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't, please just hit the button. I love reading your comments and I am very interactive, so if you leave a comment, then I'm definitely going to interact with you. With that being said, I am going to come back with another video, and it's going to be shot on this camera, so stay tuned. This is all from my side. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye.